Okay, be honest. Would you classify yourself as a total beginner to carpentry and woodworking, or a seasoned veteran? Plenty of folks who watch my show have a lot of successful projects already under their belts. They reach out to me in the comment section all the time, and I even hear from quite a few pros too. But I also know that the majority of viewers out there don't have that level of experience. And I know this because that's the case with the majority of people. Most everyone these days is beginner level or lower when it comes to learning carpentry, woodworking, and DIY. Since I started the channel in 2018, millions of people have watched my videos trying to find a way to level up their carpentry knowledge quickly. They were very interested in learning the basics, but were having a hard time piecing together an education from the random materials that are out there on the internet. I've talked before about the difficulties of learning trade skills on YouTube because of its chaotic and scattered nature. And lately, with changes to the algorithm and the explosion of AI-generated content, it's only gotten more frustrating and convoluted. Most people really just want a clear-cut way to go from knowing virtually nothing about carpentry to actually being able to design and build clean, functional projects for themselves. And now, after almost a full year of unexpected setbacks, shop rebuilds, and a lot of hard work, I'm happy to say that I finally have a way to give that to you. As of this week on thehonestcarpenter.com, you can finally access my brand new online course, Build Stuff Now. This truly is the web's fastest, easiest guide to learning carpentry and woodworking. In the beginning of the year, I'd started off with some more grandiose plans to build a comprehensive carpentry course that contained a little bit of everything. But after some thought and early efforts, I realized that this really wasn't the best use of my time. It was too big and wouldn't really focus on any one thing. Instead, what I realized I should concentrate on was a resource that helped total beginners and offered them a fast, clear-cut path towards building their own custom projects. So many of the great carpentry basics, everything from tool usage to material selection, fastening concepts, and even engineering principles, are best explained by teaching newcomers how to build simple, elegant bookshelves, storage systems, media centers, and more. These are the projects that teach us the importance of accuracy, squareness, structural stability, the very same principles that later let us go on to build houses, cabinets, and fine furniture. It can all be boiled down to extremely easy to learn basics, and all of that is present in Build Stuff Now. At just 2.5 hours long, the course is broken down into 21 individual lessons, which are very fast-moving and easy to follow. Each lesson is accompanied with a quick guide PDF that organizes all the most relevant information. Plus, you'll also gain access to SketchUp files, cut lists, and design diagrams for the 2 main projects we build in the course, and ideas for similar projects. Build Stuff Now lets newcomers start with only the most basic tools and materials and wind up with awesome finished projects in a matter of hours. The course primarily focuses on what I see as the 2 greatest systems for building strong, quality shelving-based projects. These are the exact systems that many pros use to build custom built-ins in the field. Along the way, you'll also learn the fundamentals of safely using power tools and hand tools, selecting materials and fasteners, and you'll even see how to build the world's easiest work table without making a single cut. Build Stuff Now represents the true foundation of a great carpentry education. Later on, I'll build courses and videos that take people through professional skill sets like framing, deck building, cabinet building, and more. But for someone just starting out or still struggling to get a foothold in carpentry, I think this will forever be the ultimate first course because you can't make it any simpler than this. There's an amazing feeling you get when you produce, for the very first time, a set of bookshelves or cabinets that are clean, attractive, and stable. It's the sort of feeling you'll search for again and again as you tackle increasingly difficult projects. So for those of you who have been waiting a long time for my most recent course, it's finally here. Just hop over to thehonestcarpenter.com or click the link in the description and comments below and you'll easily find it. You can also get a ton of great content through our email these days. So be sure to sign up to join the email list and stay up to date on everything we're offering. A lot of stuff will be coming your way in the days ahead. And also, I'm back on YouTube again. For the foreseeable future, I'm committed to teaching you here like I always have. So stick around, join the email list. I promise you'll be glad that you did. As always, thanks so much for watching, and keep moving ahead on your carpentry journey. I'm Ethan James with thehonestcarpenter.com. I'll see you next time.